Good afternoon. This is a quick tutorial on how to get into Spelling City. On Monday, you'll see this plan. It's called Remote Learning Plan. And I will have all of these hyperlinked in. Today, you'll be able to click on this link, which will have my lesson for the morning and then a couple other activities in this spot. This is a work in progress. Your job is to click on Spelling City. It's going to bring you directly to the Words Their Way page in Spelling City. All friends are within word patterns, so you click here and then you scroll down to find your lesson. Nobody is using lesson 3, so I'm going to use that as our sort. In here today on Monday, you're going to click Teach Spelling Teach Me. And I'm going to look through these words and try and figure out what do they have in common. You should read each of these words and then figure out what is the same with these words. This word right here does not belong there. It does not follow the rule. Once you've figured out what the rule is, go back to the top if you choose so today, and you can click back on here. It's kind of a long way to get there, but I can't figure out another workaround. Go back to sort 3, and these are the games that are available for the free version. After you've figured out what the spelling pattern is for the day, you're going to go to Seesaw. You all should have a login that was on that green piece of paper that I gave you the other day. I'm a student. I'm going to log in. There I am. Just kidding. I don't know why it says Orion. Hey, Orion. I'm going to find my name. And I'm going to add an assignment. So what I want to do is I want to type Miss Boudreau, aka myself, a note. My spelling pattern this week is magic E long I. I also am reviewing short I. They could make it much shorter. It could just say I consonant E and short I. That's totally fine. When they're done, they click the check button. They can record their voice telling me about that. Miss Boudreau, my spelling pattern is magic E that makes the long I sound. I'm also reviewing the short I. Click done. I'm going to click the green check mark. I clicked it again. I'm going to find my name. Please, please, please make sure you have the right name. Yours should not be like this. I'm going to click on my name. And there's my pattern. Nothing else to do for Words Their Way today. I hope this has been helpful. If you need anything else, please check this tutorial ahead of time so that you know exactly what you're doing. Thanks, guys.